Happy Saturday. I was on my way to work to walk around and do our morning live, and I thought, you know what? It's a beautiful day to stop at the beach. Let's just walk on the beach for a minute instead. It's been really windy lately, so they're out here picking up seaweed as fast as they can. It's going to be an absolutely gorgeous day. Enough of a breeze to keep the temperature perfect. Start back here so you can see how pretty the entrance to the beach is. There's a bunch of these all along Roosevelt here. Cute little huts make for great shade when you have a get together out here. Breaking up the sand at the moment, but critically important to get it done. Otherwise the beach gets stinky. This beach is Smathers. This is the beach you see on the news when it's spring break, or yeah, probably just spring break. This is the beach, the free city beach. It goes all the way down there, way down there, as far as the eye can see. That's the airport. From the airport all the way here, and all there is the city beach. What's the temperature here? Oh, it's okay. I have goosebumps. It's chilly enough for goosebumps, so probably 77, 78. I don't have my watch on, so I can't tell you exactly, but feels like 78.5. Just seaweed. Just regular seaweed. Anytime it's really windy, you get lots of seaweed washing up. And it's been pretty windy the last few days. There's so many planes coming in. It's very tempting to just jump on a plane and go to Cincinnati, or all about 25 5 other places with direct flights. No, there's no shells. "82 degrees now in Key West." Well, it feels cooler than that. Probably the wind and really low humidity. To their favorite fishing spot. Well, you have a direct flight to Key West now, Julie, so there's a bunch of them. Thinking about exploring all kinds of places I never thought of going before, just because there's a direct flight.